Now, you 2-minute EWOers, you don't even care that it's done this move. This move doesn't matter to you, but scalpers it matters. Now we're setting up for the upside. Notice I never took a short position on Apple below. Did you guys catch that? It wasn't ready, and I told you it had to break this candle body right here. You see it? If it doesn't break that, that is not confirmation to go to the downside. Now we're moving back to the upside. If this stays above this body, now I'm in a long again. This is a long situation again. Oh, and I'm missing it. I'm doing it now. Close an order. Put in my stop. This time I'll actually use a stop so you guys can see what you should have. 178.65 is my stop. Just so I have a stop. Now I'm going to move my stop. Actually, my stop's going to come up here tighter to 171. You see this? And I'm already in the money right now. Now, if I want, I move my stop at or above what I paid. That's a free trade. See it? Now I move my stop up. Then I can do whatever I want. But do you guys understand that now? Free trade, just made money, made $41. Did you see it?